Chapter 9, Browsing Internet. This chapter covers electronic mail, advantages of email, email programs, email address, creating an email account, how to read email, composing and sending an email, e-greetings card, internet netiquette, internet acronyms. In 1982, the Internet Protocol Suite TCP/IP was standardized, and the concept of a worldwide network of fully interconnected TCP/IP networks called the Internet was introduced. Summary: way of sending and receiving messages from one computer to another computer anywhere in the world is known as electronic mail. Every computer on the internet has its own unique address known as the domain name. Intention to hurt or embarrass other person by sending or posting wrong text or images through internet is defined as cyberbullying, a combination of keystrokes that form a sort of picture related to an emotion is called emoticon. Short forms of words used to communicate on the internet are known as acronyms. 1982 में इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल सूट TCP/IP को मानकीकृत किया गया था और पूरी तरह से परस्पर TCP/IP नेटवर्क, जिसे इंटरनेट कहा जाता था, कि विश्वव्यापी नेटवर्क की अवधारणा को शुरू किया गया था। दुनिया में कहीं भी एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर पर संदेश भेजने और पुनः भेजने का तरीका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल के रूप में जाना जाता है। इंटरनेट पर प्रत्येक कंप्यूटर का अपना विशिष्ट पता होता है, जिसे डोमेन नाम के रूप में जाना जाता है। इंटरनेट के माध्यम से गलत पाठ या छवियों को भेजने या पोस्ट करने से व्यक्ति को चोट या आघात करने का इरादा साइबर बदमाशी के रूप में परिभाषित किया गया है। कीस्ट्रोक का एक संयोजन जो भावना से संबंधित चित्र का एक प्रकार बनाता है, जिसे इमोट्रिकन कहा जाता है। इंटरनेट पर संवाद करने के लिए उपयोग किए जाने वाले शब्दों के संक्षिप्त रूपों को संक्षिप्त नाम से जाना जाता है। Internet provides an easy way to get information from all over the world. It provides many facilities like sending and receiving messages, greeting cards, conversing with others, downloading music, songs, or pictures, and many more. Due to its low speed, ordinary mail is called snail mail. Nowadays, some of the uses of internet are discussed below. Electronic mail or email. The way of sending or receiving message from one computer to another computer anywhere in the world is known as email or electronic mail. It is one of the fastest mode of communication. Advantages of email: 1. It is fast and takes few seconds to reach its destination. 2. It is cost effective. 3. It can be sent to any number of people at no extra cost. 4. Message can be of a few lines or 1000 lines. Cost is the same. हम ईमेल भेजने के लिए एक ईमेल आईडी और रिसीवर के पते का उपयोग करते हैं। एक को इन कार्यक्रमों के साथ अपना नाम या अन्य आइडेंटिफिकेशन दर्ज करना होगा। उपयोगकर्ता को एक खाता, ईमेल आईडी और पासवर्ड आवंटित किया जाता है जो उसके खाते और पासवर्ड की सुरक्षा के लिए जिम्मेदार हैं। ईमेल कार्यक्रम मुफ्त या भुगतान किए जा सकते हैं। कुछ लोकप्रिय वेब आधारित ईमेल कार्यक्रम है। We use an email ID and the address of the receiver to send an email. Email programs. One has to register his name or other identification with these programs. An account, email ID and password is allotted to the user. It is the user who is responsible for the security of his account and password. Email programs may be free or paid. Some of the popular web-based email programs are www.gmail.com, www.yahoo.com, www.facebook.com, www.hotmail.com. User can change his password but not his account details. Features of email programs. Inbox. A folder that contains all the received messages or emails. Compose. This option is used to write a new message. Send. All composed messages are sent using this option. Reply. This option is used to reply a received message. Forward. This option is used to forward a copy of received message to other people. Delete. All the selected messages are deleted using this option. Contacts. It stores the email addresses of other people. The history of the internet began with the development of electronic computers in the 1950s. This began with point-to-point communication between mainframe computers and terminals. An email address. Every computer on the internet has its own unique address known as the domain name. For any user on the internet using email services, the email address becomes a unique address. It has three parts. 1. Username of the account holder. 2. Symbol @ 3. Domain name of the internet service provider ISP. For example, BSNL, Airtel, Sifi, etc. The username comes first, which identifies the user. The username and domain name are separated by the symbol @. For example, info username, @ symbol, com domain name. Step to send email or greetings. Create an email account. Go to Internet Explorer, double click. Address bar. Write www.gmail.com. Sign out. Sign in. Remove an account. Remove. Yes, remove. Create an account. For myself, first name, BQ, last name, PUE, username, BIEQPOE55, password, ODISHAINDIA, confirm password, same, ODISHA Odisha, INDIA India, all are small letters. Then click next. phone number 8307103404. Then click next. Code has sent to this number. Nine 12445. Click verify. Month December, day 25 1999, gender female. Click next. Yes, I am in. Go to downside. Click I agree. Email ID has BIEQPOE55@gmail.com. Now already our ID has created. Now we shall click sign out. Then again you go to address bar www.gmail.com. Press enter key. Remove an account. Remove. Yes, remove. Sign in to continue to Gmail. ID BE BIEQPOE55@gmail.com. Click next. Password Odisha India, all are smalls. Click next. Click confirm. Compose. Click got it. Compose means sending the message. Inbox means receive the message. Sent means already sent messages has store. Draft means deleted message has stores. So now we want to send message. So click compose. To sender mail ID. Sender mail ID has roshni.99901@gmail.com. Subject document. Writing text area or message box. Respected sir, good morning sir. How are you? Click send. Message has sent. You can see the another person already message has sent. Click Chrome browser inbox. BIEQPOE email address has sent messages. Open. BIEQPOE email address has sent messages. Respected sir, good morning. How are you? I shall give reply or answer. Click reply option. Thanks. To SMS. Then click send. Message has sent to BIOPOE email address. Open another email address. Then go to inbox. Message has come from Odia to thanks to SMS. Reply message has. Then again send attachment. Click compose. Sender email address. Type to Roshni. Already email address has written, so address has came. Subject attach document. Click attach files. Path documents. File name Bank of Baroda. Select file, then open. File has already attached, then click send. Message sent to another person. Click another browser. Click to inbox. BIEQPOE 55 email address has sent messages. Click attach document. Attached file has come from Microsoft Word. Click download. File has downloaded. Right mouse button click show in folder. File is Bank of Baroda. Open file. Double click. Enable editing. This is an attachment file. Now we shall sign out or log out the email ID. Right hand side top right corner email ID has. Click, then again click sign out. Our email address has properly shut down or sign out. Remove an account. Click minus sign. Yes, remove.